Wairerevia mwancho mwaligirira Getembe TV rituko eriga ria Jumatano. Karibu sana sinchira ya bene mugaso bono tunyare gusanga ase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere ichiabono mugaso rituko rire nonya rire obukendo bonge rituko ribwate amangana mange ane muno ibiki yega intanganike ima yo mutinyo gatatu umwaka yoiga chiri bubere 25 nemo nchenkoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa karanso ke tunyara kuyasanga sinjira ere ya bene ekegima na Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabona mugaso bongo chaka no moyega boko basabira batano nomo bali basiri ambage mabo ase umubasukano umube wendege uyokorekana weekend yaeta umuyego yo kendeta gukorekana ase kanisa ya AGC Karen yo muchio Nairobi nigabono obwaterania abarai okoro ase serikali gati yabo mukonyi bumurai wense moske kidire kindiki naboigo nabarai kurase bunge nene naboigo ebungeri ye senate abo bono baikirana ase umuyego yo naboigo abarai ibe chidini abo bono banyare kubasabira abo batano nomo egati yabo umubunge oyimurwa dikre omoske Joanna Ngeno.
And so I saw people in Umuro Digir on the road, village by village, shouts of hopelessness and a sense of loss for those who depended on him in many ways. So we confront the loss. How do we do it? Al Krolman said, the only cure for grief is to grieve. And I tell the family and all of us loved ones that it's okay to grieve. It is okay to shed tears. It is not okay, though, to curse God and to do it hopelessly. But we have to confront grief. Kenji Mayawasa said we must embrace pain and burn it as fuel for our journey. The loss of Joanna Ngeno is felt so as if he knew the end was coming. Those have followed a little bit on social media, and he spoke as if he knew that time was coming to the end very soon. 2026 is darkest. That was sad. It's a feeling of the pain and the loss. Many of us do not know that that song was written by someone who was in great pain. Horatio Spafford was a great businessman in Chicago. He lost much of his holdings in 1871.
Batano nomo bakorero nigo bono amate yo mubunge Joanna Ngeno bono yanyare kumunyura kuba umurai wanchite abantu umonsi naboigo orekwane kebuna onyare kubika abamate amo nichinga kicho umurugioye nere anyare kwenana ebiriro byaye byomweryo ase umuyigoyo me yamagacho yikanitseyo me yomochio Karen.
The husband of my youth. Johar, even say your name carries a lifetime inside it. You are the love of my early days, when everything was still soft and full of possibility. We were young, learning life together, and somehow you made it all feel less frightening and more beautiful. Your laugh, oh your laugh, made ordinary days feel like celebration. I can still hear it. I think I always will. And the way you loved your children, Tabaron and Chesang, you adored them, you played with them, you looked at them like they were your greatest accomplishment. In their eyes, you were a hero. In mine, you were a gentle, devoted father with the biggest heart. You were my beginning, was still new and pure. Losing you feels like losing the music of my youth.
With a solid legacy that is left for us, we will continue with what we cherished. A united community, progressive country, growth of talent for the artists, land rights and justice for the community. That is what is left us with, and we thank God for that. I want to thank His Excellency the President of the Republic, his true friend,
Na ensemo ya barandi akora ase county ya Kisii ni gubono barure ogukurira gutindi guciase abana siasa abo babeire bakubwatuka bose barorekanire nigo babwate siasa cia mapema nigo batebire buna nigo babonete bose abana siasa abo kubwa muno bari ase birogo nigo babonete gwikirania amagenderero ase cinga kiciga nekiro batebire turi buya gukora siasa kurinde siasa ya genkyo nigo ekoreto gwatananekana asigati iyo mugusi bagusanga nabariki bamangana amaya nigo batebire orogongo rwagusi kubwa muno county ga nigo ebonete konyora obukoreri obwikirano kurwase abarai bari bacorere bari ase biruko kurinde tari siasa kurwa amatuko yechikura wika mpaka amatuko abonete gukorerwa emirimo.
Ngesi wanasiasa wetu to tone down, yani wapunguze speed. Tunaomba amani, hata wanapotembea tunaomba amani, hata wanapozungumza tunaomba amani. Vita na furugu sio za Mungu. Vita na furugu asiandamani na neno la Mungu. Tunaomba hizi siku chache, wakati tumeona watu wakipigana na kukimbizana, jua ya kwamba unapoenda kwa street kupigana umeacha bibi nyumbani na watoto, ukigongwa umeacha mchane na umeacha mayatima. So sisi kama House of Bishops Kisii County tunachokisema ni amani.
Zungumzia maslahi yetu kama wajungaji katika county yetu ya Kisii, na pia kuangalia mambo yale ambayo yanafaa kama wajungaji na kama maaskofu yanayohusu kanisa letu na kanisa la Bwana katika county yetu ya Kisii kwa jumla.
Na ekero ekiama ya Jubilee kiagenderete kusikigenderete gwetingia kigima kubwa muno aiga sorogongo rwagusi nigo bono aiga ase county iga abarai bikiama ya Jubilee kurwachi sub county chonsi bono banyare gusanga ebirengerere byabo na kubwa muno kugikeria egati igosebura buru yabetege kweneki wachinga ki Dr. Fred Matiang'i atarira orogongo orwagusi naboigo goteba ekiama ya Jubilee nigo keranete busibole buchase abarai bonsi bali bagendete kurigia ebirugo ao wetira ase ekiama ekyo na boigo nigo baborire abasae tibabusa gwanja goitaba gutume kwa bobe na bana siasa chinga kichiga amabirira age siasa agenderete hokina
asemu arusi tabiri yogotaka koleta abantu baje kurwania bagusi tali bantu bagwitara manyinga abagusi na abantu bomorembe no entu osebene kera abantu barwanite Kenya abantu bonsi batamene tugusikia agera gusi omorembe no koreta kiriki noro omuiso kabisa ndebe omura baito liba mogutumeka koye guchibesa moje kurwania abantu chibese chibako ba genda kolera magendero arago konyo ni familia yao.
Na nchebune chairman ya Kisii County Jubilee Party onarego kuri request abantu baita so bonge banyako bakoregister bwangoiga ntubwate mass registration ya voters kuruase wenge yetu ya gusi usase republic yetu ya Kenya abantu baito abake n'abanene baregister so bonge tarire tu kende gyonsi kya IPC onyaka bakoregister erinde nyako batutwara chikura togo chibwakira uyo muntu Matiang'i engaki aguchikobolyo oborai bukura ensi.
My name is James Makori, the organizing secretary for Kisii County. I just want to encourage those officials from our sub-counties who have worked very hard to establish the offices we have at the sub-county levels, to tell them thank you so much for what they have done. I also want to thank those aspirants who came out in large numbers to mobilize our people to come and receive His Excellency Honorable Matiang'i and his people.
Njegoro kumheshimiwa Naftali Onkoba. Ntageta goteba abagaka balia begesa kukyumo Gusii beruete kabisa komoa enyimbo y'obugambi umusike Fred Matiang'i walifanya kazi nzuri. Vile vile ntagete kuba ine ringambia abarai bonsi ba Gusii bali bacorire n'abandi batarachorwa asogo chasobunge na vile vile abantu baito abanyene bagatika kugenda kigasi cyabo bagacha komoroki umusike Matiang'i ngamba musigete
nechinga kieche niko bono ekiombe gitenenerete obochori nechimbebe aiga sense ya Kenya kia IEBC bono kianyare korwa okuburia guchiase abasae na boigo aba Kenya bali bataranyara kwirikia buna bakicukura banyare kwirikia ase amatuka aiga nigo ekiombe kyo kianyare kwarigania oyego monene me omochio Nairobi kurwa rituko ria lero ria Jumatano goika rituko ria Jumapili weekend gekoera abasaya banyare gusanga ebirengerero byabo buna baragani amonchoriro anyare gukorekana ase obuchori na boigo ase oburai nigo igikarikyo kiachakire kigma ase chinsemo cha Uhuru Park yogotokeme yomochie o Nairobi nekira abasaya bagendete gusegetwa bagendere kwerikia buna abaki chikura ase bituo ao ime yense ya Kenya.
For the first time, we had very heavy build-up to this dialogue. We held high-level policy dialogues, convened county town halls, engaged students in high schools, universities and tertiary institutions, and we have also facilitated sector-based conversations. All these voices from counties, from youth forums, from thematic dialogues converge here today, and over the next 4 days, we will refine them, interrogate them, and ultimately shape an issue-based agenda that reflects priorities of citizens. And this agenda will not end here after the 4 days. The conversations will continue because dialogue must be sustained, not seasonal. Friends, this festival has evolved because Kenya has evolved. In the early editions, we relied on panel discussions, structured, formal, leader-focused. Today, our methodology has changed. You will experience town hall style engagements, cross-generational dialogues, interactive sessions, youth-led conversations, and spaces where questions are not screened and voices are not filtered. You get it as raw as it comes. So, my good friends, the chairman of IEBC, the vice chair, the commissioners, I hope that you have time here today to receive the answers directly from young people. And I know dialogue will try to solve some of the questions that you're looking for the answers. We have moved away from personality-driven politics toward issue-centered engagement. We have moved from monologue to conversation, from spectatorship to participation. And that evolution reflects a deeper aspiration as CMD that we must demand and drive a maturing democracy.
Tumirane nanda Ekeonga Chinsa ikomecherero muragoba erioko yasanga asinjira ere eyo bwengi kigima kubwa muno ayo agenderete kurwa ase serikali enene nabo igokoroiga ase eriroba eria gusito basa gusika kendera kubwatia emirobero ya Getembe TV chinga kichonsi kubwa muno murobero raso asembeo sichitagika chinge chirebusio koletwa sore nere MC Wiza Crown nabo igo DJ Creepers enchenkoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa tuara obuligiriria obia.